last weekend, we decided to start working on the windshields that we need to replace. The original ones that came on the boat are super, super cloudy, discolored acrylic plexiglass. We just ordered the same exact sizing and locking gasket that was already there. I'm just gonna walk you through what we're doing because there's a lot of people that have SeaCampers that are always asking, how do you replace the windows? We're using heat guns because these are too big to fit in an oven. So there's a bunch of different ways that you can go about bending acrylic. This is just the way that's easiest for us, and it takes a long time, but it worked out pretty good. So we ordered this from Home Depot. It's a 36 by 36. The thickness is 3/16 inch. I think we ordered one before this and we got way too thick. So we were like, okay, go back, order the right thing, and then we compared it to the original window. So you can kind of still see the bend here. And so at this point, we just work our way down. Because the first one we learned that we stressed that side out too much. So we just work together, use the two guns, clamp, 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 until we can form the structure. I will say that this one is turning out better than our first one, just because I think we had a little more patience with letting the acrylic bend and fall rather than forcing it. And we've had some hiccups, but I mean, all in all, it's turned out very
well. We're gonna flip this over, and then Danielle's gonna use probably the multi-tool and a rotary tool, Dremel, to cut it out perfectly, and that just takes time and it's a dirty job.
This is our new window, and we just have to cut it. Last time we left you guys, we had just finished cutting out our windshield, and you can kind of see behind me that we have test fit our first windshield.
All right, so this is what we spent yesterday doing. This beauty, new black trim, clear, you can actually see through it. Came out really good. I mean, it looks like a brand new boat. So you can picture me like this, looking.
I know, it's such a difference from the originals.
I know.
With 2 heat guns and 2 people to get this curve, it took us about 2 to 3 hours, depending on how well of a team we were working in.
Yeah. But the second one went a lot easier. I mean, there was a learning curve, even to these gaskets. Oh, learning curve, I like it.
We're using pipe cutters to cut the gasket, because you're supposed to aim for a straight cut. Gasket going on. Okay, so to do this, you need a few things. You need soapy water. Some people use WD-40, but we heard that it's harder to get off of the surface and the gasket. So we're doing soapy water, and you spray it into where you're putting the window. And you basically just work the window in like one section at a time. It's kind of difficult to do. This is also our first time test fitting this one. This is really the moment that we have to cross our fingers that this fits.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it might be a little big. We might have to trim it, but it's just all a part of the game.
I think we started on this side, on the other one.
Yep.
Slide it into. And then we use these windshield tools that are made out of plastic to like open up the gasket. It might be too tall, like what I'm looking at. Do you want to come look? Yeah. Is it all the way?
No.
Oh. So the top needs to be cut. We're gonna make little adjustments with the Dremel slowly so that we don't cut too much off.
Wow, it's looking really good.
Alright, so let's keep working here. Okay. Wow, I like pulled a muscle getting this in.
I heard something break.
I think I broke a rib. Ah! Alright! I do not think it's going to be easy to get the gasket in.
No.
Wow, that's cool. Windshields. I can't believe we made these.
I know. It's so cool. Alright, so now let's grab some T-track, which is right here.
So we're moving on and putting in the lock, and that is what it looks like. Grooved on one side and then has like a locking V. And that's gonna go on this inside, and it should lock it all tight against the gasket. This is the tool we're using. Let's get it started.
Yeah.
I can't wait to be done with this. I'm probably using this tool wrong. Okay, we are in.
Right there. Pretty straight. Oh yeah, perfect. Wow. You're becoming a real professional, if I do
What,
say so.
window person?
Yeah, you're doing great.
The gasket is in, window is in, nice and solid. But now we're just gonna clean it up. Tommy has some special plastic cleaner. Learning experience. We did it a few more times. I think we really get the hang of it. Do I want to do it a few more times? No. We will see you guys in a few days. We're gonna start putting some windows on.
It is a part of the wall now. Look at this thing. That is so cool.